Hi, my name is Kecia Delp. I am a stay-at-home mother and we operate a small farm. When you come into a family that's the lifestyle that they live, then eventually you kind of jump in and do your part. I've never been on a farm, never worked with cattle, horses, terrified of cattle. I could look at one and I would cry. I'm still far from used to it. As far as taking care of the cattle and the horses, we raise them to sell. They're beef cattle. The horses, we go every so often and feed them some grain and check on them and make sure they have plenty of hay. Chickens, I send the kids out most of the time to catch the eggs, and my oldest son goes out in the mornings most of the time. We'll feed the chickens, and the baby chicks, they just love them. I feed them. I think it's good for them to realize where their food comes from and how it's obtained, and they need to learn how to be able to fend for themselves if it comes down to it. I'd recommend it to anyone to try it. We have our own eggs from the chickens. I mean, if anybody's in a position to where they can farm their own land and homestead, basically, live off of their 1 acre, and they can do it sufficiently.